Ever wonder if there's like a side hustle out there with surprisingly high earning potential and, multiple ways to boost your income?
It's a good question. Lots of people looking for that.
Well, today on the Deep Dive, we're taking a close look at exactly that, the potential of becoming something called a BoloUp Pro agent. We've got some pretty interesting info that came across our desk.
Yeah, exactly. Think of this as maybe your shortcut to understanding what this whole BoloUp thing is about.
Yeah.
We've sifted through the details, the BoloUp Pro agent advantages, they call it.
Right.
And we want to bring you the core benefits, the different ways you might earn.
So the idea isn't to get bogged down in every tiny detail, right?
No, not at all. Just the essentials, the key nuggets, so you can quickly get a feel for it, and we'll decide if it's maybe something you want to look into more.
Okay, sounds good. So our mission today, understand the main draws, the main advantages of being a BoloUp Pro agent, and figure out these different income streams they're talking about.
Let's do it.
So let's jump right in with what seems like the headline grabber, the core earning potential.
Yeah, that figure definitely stands out.
It's up to 28% commission. That's per gift received by the live streamers, the hosts that the agent recruits.
28%? Well, that's a pretty compelling number, especially when you think about how it directly ties your earnings to the success of the people you bring in.
Okay, so give us an example. Make it concrete.
Sure. So the material suggests for every $10 in gifts a host you recruited gets, you, the agent, could earn $2.80.
$2.80 on $10.
Makes you think, doesn't it, about the potential scale?
It really does. And, thinking about the whole live streaming scene, maybe you know some streamers, or you see new ones popping up constantly. Could this kind of rate, this 28%, actually be a game changer compared to what else is out there?
It certainly seems like it could be. It sets a potentially high benchmark.
Right.
And what's interesting, too, is that this commission, it isn't the only way agents can earn here. The info highlights, multiple income streams.
Okay, multiple streams. That sounds promising. Let's unpack those. What's first?
First up, recruitment bonuses. Pretty straightforward.
Okay.
Looks like agents get $3.50 paid out for every single host they successfully recruit onto the platform.
$3.50 per person. And is there a cap? You can only bring in so many.
Doesn't seem like it. The info says no limit mentioned, so bring on as many as you can, basically.
Interesting. So that's a direct reward just for building your network separate from the commission.
Exactly. You get the upfront bonus, and you increase your potential for those commissions down the line. It's a clear push to grow.
Okay, what else? You mentioned other streams.
Yeah. Then there are these things called activity rewards. Weekly bonuses, seems like, based on, participation.
Activity rewards, like what?
Well, one really big one mentioned is earning up to $5,500.
Wow, okay.
For inviting new users to the platform. And notice, that's users, not just hosts. So the general audience.
Ah, okay. So bringing in the people who might actually watch the streams and send the gifts.
Precisely. It broadens things out. You're helping build the whole BoloUp community, the ecosystem, and getting rewarded for bringing in viewers, too.
Makes sense. What other activity rewards are there?
There's another one, up to $3,000 in something called loss rebates.
Loss rebates. That sounds different.
What kind of laws are we talking about?
Yeah, it's intriguing. The source material doesn't spell out exactly what counts as a loss. But you could guess. Maybe it relates to time or money an agent invests in promoting or supporting their hosts that maybe doesn't immediately pay off.
So like a safety net.
Kind of, yeah. It could act like that. Maybe offset some initial costs or risks while you're, building things up. It suggests BoloUp is offering some backup for their agents.
That is an interesting angle. Okay, any others?
One more mentioned is $490 for achieving star gift challenges. Star gift challenges. What do you reckon those involve?
Well, based on the name, probably involves agents being active on the platform itself, maybe engaging with popular streams, hitting certain goals, maybe driving gifting within their network.
And getting on leaderboards, maybe?
Yeah, likely something like that. Hit the challenge, get on the board, unlock this extra bonus. It encourages being active beyond just signing people up.
Okay, wow. So when you start putting all these pieces together, you've got the main commission, the upfront recruitment bonus, then these weekly activity things, user invites, loss rebates, star gifts. It starts to paint a picture of, potentially quite significant earnings, doesn't it?
It does. It creates a more layered opportunity. You're not just relying on one thing. Multiple avenues could mean, more consistent income, potentially higher overall.
Especially for someone looking for flexible options, that layered approach seems pretty smart.
Agreed.
Okay, let's circle back to that main commission for a second. The 28%, you said it was up to 28%. How does that actually work?
Right. So the total potential is 28% of the gift value going to the agent. Now, the materials, they break it down slightly differently in different spots.
Oh, how so?
Well, one part uses that $10 gift example, saying it's $2.80 for the agent, which implies like a 20% agency commission plus an 8% gift share.
Okay, 20 plus 8.
But then another section mentions a 20% agency commission and a 15% gift share.
Okay, a bit confusing. So which is it?
Well, the key thing, the consistent part, seems to be that total potential for the agent adds up to that 28% level on the gifts their hosts get.
Gotcha. So maybe the internal label shifted slightly, but the end result for the agent, the 28% potential, that's the main takeaway.
That seems to be it, yes. That $2.80 on a $10 gift example really drives home the potential.
And they compare that, don't they, to like $1.40 somewhere else?
They do. They use that hypothetical comparison to basically say, look, our potential payout for agents is much higher. Really underscores the difference.
Okay. And you mentioned agency commission. Is that fixed or?
Good point. No, it seems there's a tiered system for that part.
Tiers, like levels.
Exactly. Yeah. Agents can apparently move up from, say, a level D, earning 4% on that agency commission part, all the way up to level A, getting 16%.
16% just on that agency piece, plus the other gift share part.
Right. So it suggests a direct link between how well you perform as an agent, probably based on your host's success and activity, and how big your slice of that commission pie gets.
So the better you do, the better your hosts do, the higher your commission rate climbs.
Precisely. It's a built-in incentive, right? To not just recruit, but to actually, support your host, help them succeed.
Nurture the network, as they say.
Yeah. And they use this image, like stacking dollar bills as you climb the tiers.
Yeah.
Gives you a visual for that growing earning potential.
Okay, that makes sense. Now, there was something else mentioned, right? Something about coins.
Ah, yes. The coin seller opportunity.
Yeah.
This is kind of a different angle altogether.
A different way to earn within BoloUp.
Seems like it. Either instead of or maybe alongside the agent stuff. It's about the in-app currency coins.
Right, like for sending gifts.
Exactly. So regular users, they pay $1 and get, say, 6,000 coins.
Okay.
But BoloUp Pro agents, they can buy more coins for the same dollar. They get 10,000 coins for $1.
Oh, okay. 10,000 versus 6,000 for the same price. I see where this is going.
The immediate potential is arbitrage, basically. Buy the coins cheaper as an agent.
And sell them to users for more than you paid, but maybe still less than the official price.
Exactly. The material suggests a potential profit margin around 40%, based just on that buy-sell difference.
40%. And can agents just sell them directly?
Seems so. They mentioned agents have the flexibility to negotiate prices directly with users, and importantly, no platform fees on those agent-to-user coin sales.
Wow, okay, so you could potentially undercut the official price a bit, still make a profit, and users get a better deal. It's like running your own little currency exchange inside the app.
That's a good way to put it. A microcurrency exchange. It's definitely a different model. More active, more like trading.
Yeah, requires a different skill set, perhaps. Understanding demand, negotiating.
Probably.
Yeah.
It adds this entrepreneurial layer, compared to the commission structure, which is maybe a bit more passive once hosts are active.
Interesting. So, lots of different facets here. For someone listening thinking, okay, this BoloUp Pro agent thing, maybe it's worth a look. What are the actual first steps? How do you get started?
Well, the info we looked at laid out 3 main steps. Pretty simple, actually.
Okay.
1, sign up. Use a specific link that BoloUp provides.
Makes sense, too.
2, start recruiting hosts. And that's the immediate focus, seems like. And remember that $3.50 bonus kicks in right away for each one.
Right, the recruitment bonus. And step 3.
Step 3, join a dedicated Telegram group. They mentioned this is for support.
Ah, the support group. That sounds pretty crucial, especially if you're new to this whole thing, right? Like this agent role or even live streaming platforms.
Absolutely. Having that 24/7 access, potentially, to ask questions, get tips, maybe connect with other agents.
Yeah, that could really help you get your footing, figure things out faster, lessen the learning curve.
Exactly. Provides that bit of a safety net, community support as you're starting out.
Okay. Now we're just exploring the opportunity here, not, pushing anything.
Right, just unpacking the info.
But the materials did mention something about, like, timing. Urgency.
They did touch on that.
Yeah.
The idea of limited spots being available for agents.
The classic limited spots.
Yeah, it's a common way to encourage people who are interested to, well, not wait around too long, to check it out sooner rather than later if they're serious.
Creates a bit of FOMO, maybe.
Could be. They also highlighted that new agents could start earning those weekly rewards fairly quickly.
Which is attractive if you're looking for quicker returns.
Definitely. And one last little thing they mentioned, bonus tips shared via direct message if you signal you're ready.
Ooh, like extra insider info.
Potentially, yeah. Another little nudge to engage and maybe get some extra strategies to start strong.
Okay. So, quite a bit to digest there. As we start to wrap up this deep dive into the BoloUp Pro agent opportunity, let's just quickly recap the main potential upsides we talked about.
Sounds good.
We hit that potentially high commission rate up to 28% on host gifts.
Yep, the recruitment bonuses, $3.50 per host.
Those varied weekly activity rewards inviting users, the loss rebates, the star gift challenges.
And that whole other angle, the coin selling possibility.
Right. Buying and selling the in-app coins for a potential profit.
So yeah, a pretty wide range of potential benefits and income streams laid out in the program info we reviewed.
So looking ahead, it really prompts you, the listener, to think about these different parts. Does it align with what you're looking for? Maybe you're already into live streaming, or maybe you're just exploring side incomes. Hopefully this gave you some useful insights.
And maybe one final thought to leave you with. You know, in this digital world that's always changing, creator economies, all that. How might platforms in roles like this, like these agents, actually reshape how creators and their supporters connect? And what part could agents play in making that ecosystem work or grow?
That's interesting, the role of the middleman or the connector in this new digital space.
Exactly. Something to ponder as you think about where all this might be heading.